Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona iyaqhubeka ke imizamo yokuletha ukuthula ngemuva kokwedlula emhlabeni komfundi oneminyaka eyi-17 obenza ibanga le-10 lapha yana ke esikoleni iNgqayizivele. Lo mfundi ke watholakala isidumbu sakhe silahlwe emhosheni ophakathi kwendawo ke yalapha yana emkhathini kanjalo ke nalapha yana ke endaweni yasesiziba noma nje ke endulwini ebulewe nanokutholakala namanxeba okugwazwa ogama lakhe ke uLithabo Maruga. Kanti ke kube nembhikisho ke yabafundi ngemuva kwalokho njengalokho ke behambele ke isiteshi samaphoyisa eThembisa bethi ke bafuna ubulungiswa. Kuningi ke okwenzekile njengalokho ke naso sukwini la izolo sibonile ke umfundi wakhona futhi eNgqayizivele ethola ke ukulimala wasekedlula emhlabeni njengalokho ke bekunembhikisho yize ke nokho ke yena kubikwa ukuba ke begibela ke lolu hlobo ke lokugibela ke imoto ngemuva iloli ke lokuthiwa ke sipharapara. Sidlulisa ke amazwi enduduzo okwamanje ke siceliwe ukuthi ake sisondele sizokwethamela inkulumo ngemuva ke komhlangano bekhona ohlanganisa izinhlaka zomphakathi ezihlukahlukene okufaka phakathi ke nabaholi babafundi. Ake sethamele ke lo mlayezo.
Good afternoon bahlali baseThembisa and everyone who's watching. My name is Witumelo Sethosa, the Regional Secretary of COSAS in Ekurhuleni. I'm with the stakeholders Bamuthembisa kaofela, COSATU and other stakeholders. So re biditse Thembisa online today gore re tlo lokisha di rumors tse di tsamayang around the community. There's no school until Thursday. Re gopela gore bana ba sekolo kaofela ba Thembisa ka osane re gopela ngwana mongwe le mongwe a le ko class. Teaching and learning must continue. All of these disruptions unnecessary, they must end. We have communicated with the SAPS ya Thembisa and they are looking into this issue ya ngwana tlhokofetseng and they are doing their investigations. So if bana ba sekolo le tswela pele la strike le di atlhakatlhakano mo sekolong, focus ya maphodisa e tlo focus mo go lena ba sa focus on the investigation ya bona ngwana go robola ile ke mang. So ke a le gopela kaofela lena le boele sekolong ka sana. And every communication e tlo dirang ke e le tlo khumana mo di TikTok lo mama go sene COSAS ka mogare be ke gopela re le ska iteletša. If you tlo go ba re gona le shutdown, please communicate with COSAS. You may call me or call anyone who leading COSAS or confirm those rumors tse di diragala. And le maphodisa tlo communicate le rena, so we will make sure we do a follow up, then la update aka everything e diragala. So thank you. Agena Jirinji.
Dumela madudi ba Thembisa, lebitso se Councillor Thabanjiane, the convener of the councillor in Thembisa. Today re kopane le stakeholders ko Tlamatlama Primary School just to make sure we focus on the situation le currently tsala in Thembisa. But one reason we agree as the stakeholders collectively to say tomorrow bana ba sekolo ba bole sekolong ka di 6 May as COSAS e boletse gore no ka fela ba go sekolong and re aware as members of the committee to say gore that pain ba le go yona le rena re go pain nyeo, but at the same time le rena ra ba support. But I can say gore the security cluster currently from the subs that are on the case and there will be update ka ntho ngwe le ngwe la go tseba dira. But what you are saying gore we also want to encourage all the parents to make sure gore they are monitoring everything. They're also making sure that they're encouraging anything anything share from, especially from the security cluster, making sure they share. And the last list to say tomorrow, 8 o'clock, all the stakeholders, in Secondary School, and from there, make sure at the situation, stability.
Greetings Thembisans, greetings secondary school learners. My name is Sipombetse from Thembisa Parliamentary Constituency Office. We gathered here this afternoon with all the stakeholders coming from the meeting at Tlamatlama, where we agreed to say that we know that your pain after the passing of one learner from Ngqayizivele is what has made you to become so angry and find yourself acting in the manner that you does. But we are here today to tell you that your pain is our pain as parents. We feel your pain, and also we are giving you the support that we can, but we are kindly asking you, together with the stakeholders, to go back to the classrooms and learn, because violence will lead us nowhere. We apologize that you think that we are not involved as parents, but we are behind your situation. And tomorrow, as Councillor Convenance has mentioned, will be at Ngqayizivele to pass the message of support, Tembisa High, Ezitikeni, and Bukamutso. Thank you very much.
Sanbonani, igama lami ke nguBishop Michael Mtshali from Faith Based Organization. I'm also the coordinator of Ekurhuleni North Community Development Forum. Kodwa we are here besikhona sonke siseTlamatlama esikolweni nama stakeholders ahlukene nje obuwabona nje khona wonke la sizohlangana ngokubuka ke isituation nezimo ezenzakele kusuka kulela viki eliphelile kuze kufike kule viki nobe kwenzeka izolo. Sakuzwa ke sabona ukuthi kufanele sibe no meeting ephuthumayo. One, asisodwa ke la kukhona nabantu abamela abantwana besikole kungama SGB, kukhona nje zonke inhlaka ongayithola ezikwazi ukuthi zimelane nento zesikole kanye nezokuphepha nama faith based organization nazo zonke inhlangano. Sathi kasihlanganeni sikhulume ukuthi singenze njani ukuthi sibe usizo ekulungiseni lezi zinto zomphakathi wethu njengoba abantwana benesikalo senze njani ukubasiza. Kwesibili kuphi esingakwenza ngoba kukhona neinformation yamanga ephumayo la ngaphandle othola ukuthi ke spreadeka kakhulu kuze kugcine konakala izinto, nokuthi sixwayise nje abantwana bethu nabantu bakithi ukuthi ningalaleli yonke information. Ngithandile le khosasi ukuthi bathi if kuza intweni zesikole nazo zonke zabantwana kulalelwe bona. Nathi besizosho ukuthi njengabazali asisukumeni singabhebhethekisa udlame, kodwa asisebenzeni sisebenze ke futhi kungagcini namhlanje njengoba sesiqalile siqhubeka sisebenze sonke ukwenza sure ukuthi sinokuthula kanti kuyasebenzeka nasizweni lakithi. Ngiyabonga.
Yake muzwa kwethu ilokho ke esithi ake sikulethele khona. Kuningi ke nokho ke nabafundi kanti ke basazoba nayo ke nembono yabo. Sithembisa online so lokho ke silandele njalo uma ngabe kuvela la kufanele ke bekhulume khona abafundi. Ezindabeni zethembisa online ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaDzanibe. Umbiko siuqobe lapha ke endaweni ke yaseGqaqa section kanti kangihambi ngedwa khona uSihle wakwaNgwini.